Hi everyone, welcome back to Plant Boy. My name is Cade, and today we are going to be briefly discussing why it is so important for you to get in the practice of cleaning off the foliage of your houseplants. So we all know that houseplants make energy through photosynthesis, which is the process of turning sunlight into energy via the chlorophyll in the foliage. So if you have a lot of dirt and debris on said foliage, it is going to be obstructing light and minimizing the amount of light that is being left into the chlorophyll inside of the foliage. So that's why it's important for you to get into the regular maintenance schedule of wiping down your leaves. You can do so with warm soapy water or room temp water. So I choose to use a heavily diluted neem oil solution in water. You can purchase neem oil online. I bought mine off of Amazon. I would recommend getting like a 100% pure cold pressed neem oil. It is actually the oil off of a neem tree seed that acts as a great prophylactic treatment for pests as well as a treatment for pests, and it also shines up your leaves and polishes them without clogging the stoma, which is very important to allow respiration from the leaf. So I will just take you through very quickly on how I do this. I just take some of this solution that I have and spray some onto a slightly abrasive cloth. I wouldn't use like anything very abrasive, but this just kind of has like a cloth mesh on there that, you know, kind of increases the abrasion to help remove all of the dirt. And I actually did this on one of my other Ficus elasticas earlier today, and it was actually crazy how much dirt I got off of it. Especially, so if we think about this, you know, in nature, there's nobody that walks around cleaning off leaves, and that is mainly due to the fact that in nature, leaves are cleaned off readily through rainwater and a lot of wind as well. So whenever you have a plant in your home, there is obviously no rainfall, and if there is, you might want to get your roof checked. There's no rainfall in your home, so these leaves rely on you to clean them off. And this plant, especially like a Ficus elastica like this, is definitely going to depend on you to wipe off that foliage, just to, you know, make it as happy as possible. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Make sure you are wiping the underside of your foliage as well. Although I do find that more often than not, the majority of the dirt that you find on your foliage is going to be on the top side of the foliage. This is also a great opportunity for you to look for pests and things like that. So keep an eye out for any webbing that could be due to a mite problem. Don't freak out if you see webbing. It could just be spiders, in which case leave them be. They're actually very beneficial. Check out for any kind of mealybugs or anything like that. If you're not familiar with mealybugs, or if you found some mealybugs, check out my mealybug video. I found some on my string of pearls, and I just go through how I recommend that you treat a mealybug problem. So it's really as simple as that, everyone. And you may be able to see like how clean and shiny this leaf is here versus if we look at this leaf, it's kind of dull, and up close in person, it definitely has a layer of dust and dirt and debris. So just a good practice to get into. Will definitely keep your plants happy and healthy and allow for the maximum amount of sunlight absorption and growth. So let me know if you have any questions. I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.